Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, y'all. So I just woke up and I'm watching a video already, like a YouTube video. I'm watching like naturalhair's vlog, but this is like my life. Like first thing on the phone in the morning, should be saying a prayer or something, right? So I'm getting ready to brush my teeth. I started the coffee pot already. Oh, this light, it's a lot. I started the coffee pot already, and see if I can pull myself out some. Clearly you can see how pale I look under this light, but I'm about to brush my teeth before I drink my coffee. And today is going to be more of like a cleanup day. My office looks an entire like hot mess, so I want to get that under control. There's still some boxes I have that need to be unpacked from the time that we actually moved here, and then I'm gonna try to tackle as much of that as possible. And there's paper everywhere, so I'm gonna be doing a lot of shredding today. Hopefully once today is done, I can utilize my office in the way I would like to, and that means I can actually get into my studio and record the way that you know, I should. Right now my vanity is like super blocked with clutter, hair products, like my wax stuff, makeup brushes. It's just bad, y'all. It's bad. My desk is cluttered in papers, a whole bunch of like other stuff that just needs to get cleared out, and then the floor looks crazy. So I'm going to tackle that. That's really like the only thing on the agenda. We're gonna clean up the bedroom a little bit, clean up the bathrooms, and then later on today I actually have a pool match that I'm going to, so that's around like 6:30 ish. So my goal is to have as much done as I can by about like 5:30, and at some point in between all of this I will like get showered and get dressed and all of that. So that is the game plan for today. You guys will probably be in like hyper speed for most of the day to just kind of watch some of the cleaning that I'm doing. I might like jump in to make some comments here and there, but hopefully I can get everything I set out to get done today completed. And yeah, let's go ahead and get this mouth clean. Alright, so now we got a fresh mouth. We can go have our coffee without being all pasty. We got the pumpkin spas from Starbucks. You know, pumpkin craze, pumpkin season has already started. So when I use these, y'all can't see them. When I use these, I don't have to use sugar, like any sugar, like added into my coffee. So I do like to use these every now and again because I feel like it allows me to use a little less sugar. Even though I don't really use a ton of sugar anymore in my coffee anyhow. Like I use the turbinado like raw sugar, the cane sugar, and then I use like one scoop of that and one scoop of, what the heck is that sweetener called? Oh my god, the monk fruit sweetener, which is like the keto sweetener. So you get the sweetness without that like glycemic index. So you get the sweetness without the glycemic index like jump. So I use that, but when I use these, which is not super often, but I do use them occasionally to just kind of like sub out some sugar. I usually use the sweet cream one from the Cold Stone sweet cream. Like that's one of my favorites, so I always have that in the house. But since it's pumpkin season, I was like, oh, let me get this. These things are ridiculously expensive. It's like $5 for this little thing here. So imagine if you were someone that liked to eat this like, drink this like every day. Like, you'd be going through like 3 or 4 of these a month. Like, come on, nobody has time for that. It's good. Where's my coffee thing? So I have my little coffee warmer. I like hot coffee, and because I put milk in my coffee, usually it cools it down quite a bit. So I like to make sure my coffee stays hot. So I use the little coffee warmer, so I don't have to like guzzle the coffee all the time immediately. It can sit, and then I can kind of sip. He usually drinks his coffee black. He did use the creamer today, but because his is black, his stays a lot hotter. So it usually takes him like 20-30 minutes before he actually touches his coffee. Yum. So yeah, that's really it, y'all. I've brushed my teeth. I'm gonna wash my face in a little bit, and then we're gonna have some breakfast, and then we're gonna get cleaning. Even though we have like a full day, you know, it's still other stuff that has to be done. So I want to try to get as much out the way as possible, but I will loop you guys in once we start cleaning. So I definitely forgot to record the before for some of the like studio and office, but I started cleaning like one little area here, so you guys can kind of see like my vanity is pretty much tidied up. The rest of it is a little crazy looking still, but there was more stuff actually on the floor. So I've kind of started to pick the stuff up off the floor. But girl, this desk, honey, this desk. We got to do something about that. So I am working on this now. We're going to be going through these boxes that you guys can see. You see my Lush bag down in the middle of the floor. But this is what I'm going to be working on probably for like the next 4 hours or so. And then I'm going to get ready to go to my pool match, and then when I come back, I don't know, maybe depending on how late we stay, because depending on where I play in the games, I could probably be there until like 10:30 at night. But when I come back, the goal is going to be to do some sort of self-care. I don't know what that's going to look like right now, but I don't think I'm going to get it done before we actually go. So I'm going to sit you guys up here. Should I sit you up here? I don't know, friend. I don't know. Maybe I'll sit you here. You sit you here. Hopefully nothing goes flying. Can you see everything? Yes and no.